Hi, everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. After yesterday's respectable equity performance in America, Asia-Pacific equities rose with the help of Hong Kong, China, and Taiwan. Stoxx 600 Europe is up 1.6%. If this trend continues, it will be the largest in a few months and the first weekly gain for 4. Futures in the USA are trading generally higher. In recent weeks, the dollar has suffered one of its largest setbacks. Commodity prices are rising due to the dollar's pullback. The week's high gold price was $1,730. The October WTI fell $81.20 yesterday. Its lowest point since February is now near $85. Asian Pacific market. China reported lower inflation than expected and higher than expected lending figures. Surprisingly, August CPI fell to 2.5% from 2.7%. China also reported that aggregate lending rose to 2.4 trillion renminbi, more than was expected. As the dollar falls, Japanese officials may be able to enjoy the weekend because they have been more vocal in recent days. In the middle of the week, the dollar hit a record high of JPY 145 and is now at JPY 141.65. In the middle of last week, the Australian dollar pushed into the $0 and 6,700 cents zone. Yesterday's inside day saw the Aussie jump to $0 and 6,875 cents. This is the area where the 20-day moving mean is located. Market of Europe. The ECB approved the 75 BP increase in unanimous vote. The majority of the time, President Lagarde remained hawkish. Further rate increases were announced. Lagarde stated that while the labor market is still strong, normalization of monetary policies would likely lead to higher unemployment. European energy ministers meet today to discuss ways to reduce energy prices. There are many options, including decoupling electricity and gas prices and conservation. The euro has risen to $1.115 thanks to the short squeeze, which is its highest level since August 18. Sterling rose to $1.1650, the highest level in a month. These gains aren't particularly remarkable. Market of America. For the fourth week in a row, weekly initial jobless claims dropped. They are at 222,000 and the lowest level since May's end. Today, Evans and George spoke, but it will prove difficult to add to the signals from Powell and Brainard Wednesday. Canada reports August jobs data. The improvement in the labor market appears to be stalled. Between June and July, it has lost 17,000 jobs. For a total loss of 152,000 jobs, part-time positions fell for 3 months from June to July. The US dollar is trading at a new low for the month after falling to CAD 1.32 in the middle of the week. It is trading below 1.30 in Europe, after having fallen to CAD 1.32 in the intraday basis. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.